Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing an updated iPhone wallpaper video, but for the fall and autumn season. I know it's a little early, but like, come on. Hello, I have a whole outfit change. I wanted to show you guys a cute little bath products company that's made with all natural ingredients, and they sent me a whole glittery box. Oh my god, so I wanted to showcase you guys everything in here. Oh my god, how freaking precious is this? It smells so good. It smells like birthday cake. Thank you, Nectar Bath Treats. There are some cute things that are going on in this box, so keep watching. Oh my god, my cat's gonna love this, so thank you for that. Oh my god, there's glitter everywhere, but am I upset? Not really. No, I'm not upset at all. Here it is. Okay, so here is what it looks like on the inside. You really can't see much because literally almost everything is pink, but we'll get into it. This is my kind of company, y'all. Oh my god. And I have a code if you want any of these products, Jennifer-Biana 20 for 20% off for an entire order of $30 or more. Jennifer-Biana 20, and it's only valid until October 31st. A lot of these products are made with all natural ingredients, which makes them even cooler. This is a little macaroon lip butter, strawberry scented vegan lip butter, hand whipped with locally sourced jojoba oil, fair trade cocoa butter, and natural sunflower wax to nourish and moisturize dry lips. I love that it's vegan. We stan that so much, and it's like everything is so cute. Like, it is made with love on it. Like, this is just so my aesthetic. Like, I love this girly stuff so much. And if you know me, you know macaroons are my favorite desserts. This smells amazing. Very creamy, very moisturizing. This is very moisturizing, very creamy, because I know a lot of chapsticks, especially ones that you put your finger in, are very hard. This one is so creamy and light and nice. So I'm pretty sure this little thing is a bath bomb. Oh my god. This smells like raspberries. Here it is. This is how it looks like. I don't want to take it completely out because it is gonna like sip everywhere. She's a thick bath bomb. Like, I am so sure this is gonna do great things, because whenever a bath bomb is thick, you know what's up. I use a lot of bath bombs. I'm so excited to try this. This smells amazing, and it's so thick and nice. I think this is gonna be good, y'all. Next, I got this white peach sangria sugar scrub. How girly and cute is that? And I love a good scrub. I love a good sugar scrub. It really exfoliates my body. Oh, it's so peachy. Okay, what I just say about this company is this company knows what's up with the scents. They're super strong and amazing. Very excited to try it. And they're all different too. Like, they're not all one general good scent. Like, they're all different amazing scents. And it tells you all the ingredients in the back as well. And then this is the Bubble Scoop Sundae. Oh my god, it says made in the USA in the front, and in the back it has directions. Watch as a tub fills with luxurious silky bubbles, and it has the ingredients for each one. This one I got Periwinkle Dream. Oh my god, it has sprinkles on them. It has like sparkles on them too. Oh my god, I'm crying. This looks exactly like ice cream. Hi, can you see the detail in this? Holy crap. Sparkly on top. It's just the packaging, just everything was so thought out. Okay, and last item that's in this cute little pink box. Peach Macaroon Soap Treat, plant-based, SLS-free, cruelty-free. Oh my god, the little packaging, just everything just makes you want to cry. It is so adorable. Oh my god, my heart hurts. And I love how big this is. Like, you get so much soap. This is adorable. I love it. Everything here is so cute. I would literally want to cry. It smells like peach candy. It's so nice. And like whipped cream. This is so lovely. The detail, just all the artisan craftsmanship, like, it is so amazing. Thank you so much, Nectar Bath Treats, for sending me these. These are so adorable. I love all of these so much. They're so girly and cute. If you want your own, I have a coupon code for you, Jennifer-Biana 20 for 20% off of $30 or more. Yeah, and make sure to use it. before October 31st. And if you guys want any of these cute things, the link will be down below in the description. Okay, so this is my wallpaper right now, but I really want to change it to something fall because already it's August 21st. Like, sorry girl, I'm ready for fall. I'm starting school in a couple of days, so I'm ready for fall. This is the phone case I'm using right now. It's just Caseify. I'm definitely going to change it because it's such a summery case, but I'm going to change it to fall. Y'all know when I make wallpaper videos, all my inspiration really comes from Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest. If you want to come through, come follow. I have a lot. And then that's where I'm going to find a lot of my inspo. I love like the cozy aspect of fall. I love this. I think I'm going to do something with this. I also might get inspiration from my fall spirit board because that could have a lot of good things if it's like super long photo. So I'm just really going to have to look through everything right now. I think I might do something with this one too. It's a little busy, but maybe we could make it work. This one's cute. Maybe this one. Oh, I love this one. Okay, now we have a couple contenders. I'm just gonna have to play around with them and see how I feel. Okay, so you guys that know my wallpaper videos, you guys know the apps I use already. I use Photoshop Mix with transparent backgrounds. I use PS Express for like words and stuff. Then I use this app Nichi for a lot of like fun aesthetic things. Let's start with this one because I definitely know I want this one because I love New York City. Once I have a wallpaper, I look at my good quotes because I love adding quotes to my wallpapers because it's something that I can see every day and be reminded of. I like this one. Take care of yourself so you can accomplish all the amazing things you're here to do. I like that a lot. So I'm gonna go to PS Express, text, I'll just use this to type. So I'm gonna find like a font that I like. I like this font. Okay, so I'm gonna screenshot it because otherwise it'll give you the PS Express watermark. So then I'm gonna go to Nichi, which is a fun little cute app. And then I'm gonna like just create my own. Oh, they have new templates, love that. So here it is, this wallpaper. I definitely have to check though to see if like the quote is exactly where I want it to be. Because it's not like, oh, well, I do actually would want it smaller. So make sure to check to see. Okay, love that. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a bunch of cute things from Nichi. So Nichi always puts your stuff in borders, which I absolutely hate. So we're just gonna take that off, and then they put effects on it. So all I really do in that case is just move it closer, and there you go. Okay, so then they have a bunch of fun stickers, which is why I love, 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 love them. Yeah, so as you can see, they have the cutest little stickers. So I like these stars a lot better. I'm gonna put them like in the corner here. Okay, I like this. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, I think that's really freaking cute. It's so fall and it's like New York City and it's cute. Next I'm gonna do the leaves one. So let's go on Pinterest and find a good quote. We could say, even if you cannot give any more, give thanks. So let's go straight on the Nichi app because I feel like it's like really bomb right now. I kind of like this. Hold up. Oh my god, wait, this could be really cute as a wallpaper. Gotta go. And we'll put our own thing. I'm gonna probably use this as like a background to like write a quote on. Cute! Okay, and then we'll write our quote. Oh, I like this font. Or do I like this font? I like this one. Perfect. Okay, great. That's freaking cute. Oh my god, this is not what I expected to happen. Okay, let me see. I want something else. What's this? Okay, I want this, but I also want like maybe that like really fall thing that was on the bottom. This is so cute. I can't believe we made this. Oh my god. Well, it was originally theirs, but we changed it up to make it like really freaking cute. Cool. So let's save and see. Just because you see like it was like on the words, on the thing, so it's like a little weird. Okay. Now this one. Ah, this is so cute. This one's definitely gonna be my new one because I love this one so much. Thank you. Now, let's do our last one, which I think we're just gonna do this one. It's just gonna be like a nice little moment. What a good day to be proud of all the progress I've made. I like that one. I'm gonna put it in here in my photo. We're gonna make this big. Wait, I actually kind of like the effect that they added to this. Let me see though. I like it a little bit. I'll add a little bit. Oh, yikes. Yeah, I definitely am gonna need to put something in the background of it. Okay, I think we should move it maybe down more. Like right here, maybe, yeah. Okay, cool. Very, very, very cute. And then let's add some stuff. Maybe this. I'll think about it. Maybe this. I'll think about that too. Actually, I like that. I might put it in the corner. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, perfect. Great. And obviously, like, we're in the woods. Like, I feel like a deer would be perfect for this. Or do I not like the deer? I can't tell. I actually don't like the deer. Oops. I might put this little arrow here. I actually think that's cute, and I honestly might just keep it like that. Perfect. It came out perfect. This is really cute. This is so fall. Oh, God, I love it. Yay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.